Nucor Corporation is not a typical steel company. It is North America's largest recycler, built on a sustainable model. This sets it apart from traditional steelmaking. Ticker NUE. Nucor is the continent's most diversified steel manufacturer. It uses electric arc furnaces, or EAFs, to recycle scrap steel. This method produces 1/3 of the emissions of traditional blast furnaces. The company's strategy is to grow its core steelmaking and expand into finished products. Its decentralized structure empowers employees across North America. Sheet steel is used in automotive, appliance, and construction markets. Nucor is expanding with a new West Virginia mill for high-end grades. Bar steel includes rebar and engineered bar for infrastructure and energy. Nucor uses efficient micromills to serve regional markets. Structural and plate steel produces beams and heavy plate for bridges, wind towers, and ships, and includes sustainable brands like AOS and Elcyon. Joist, deck, and buildings are components for warehouses, data centers, and schools through its Volcraft and Verco brands. Tubular and racking products serve solar energy with torque tubes, and the AI boom with data center racking and infrastructure. Doors and access systems offer commercial and residential overhead doors through its CHI and Rytec brands. Nucor makes money through its steel mills, selling sheet, bar, and structural steel. About 80% of sheet sales are to contract customers, providing stability. The company earns higher margins from finished goods, including joists, decking, metal buildings, and doors. Its DJJ subsidiary brokers and processes scrap, and Nucor also produces its own scrap substitute called DRI. Recent tariffs on steel imports level the playing field for domestic producers. Nucor is directly serving the AI and cloud infrastructure boom, supplying racking and structures for new data centers. The company is a key supplier for grid modernization and renewable energy projects, like offshore wind farms. Vertical integration into raw materials like scrap and DRI controls costs. The EAF model is low cost and produces low carbon steel, attracting customers with sustainability goals. Diversification into downstream products reduces earnings volatility. Strategic acquisitions are expanding its reach into new high-margin markets. The business is heavily tied to the cyclical construction and automotive markets. Nucor faces intense competition from other EAF and traditional steelmakers. Raw material costs, particularly for scrap steel, can be volatile. Major capital projects face risks of cost overruns and delays. Nucor is a leader in sustainable steel production with a diversified product portfolio. It is well positioned for infrastructure and energy trends, but remains exposed to market cyclicality.